guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are well. I'm also doing fine, guys. Thank you so much for always showing up to watch my videos. The 10 subscribers, I really appreciate your support, guys. With the OG, guys, literally mean the whole world to me. If you're new here, this is Queen Liz channel. Consider to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos. Like, yeah, take me to 4,000 subscribers. Yeah, and again, whenever you're watching my videos, do not skip the ads, guys. Make sure you're watching the videos up to the end. By not skipping the ads, that is when I'm going to get revenue here. Secondly, make sure you join this channel, be a member of this channel. There is a membership there you can join this channel. Thirdly, you can consider super chat, guys, to also support this channel. So if you're new here, consider subscribe, please. Do not just watch. I know so many people are watching my videos, you guys are not sharing. Lately I've realized that even the rate at which you guys are sharing my videos is not that much. So kindly, whenever you're watching my video, make sure you're watching until then. Actually, today I'm having a flu. If you're keen with my tone, it has really changed. I'm having a flu since yesterday, a serious one. I said that I have to show up because this is my business. Yes, guys. So I told you that if you're new here, make sure you're subscribing, liking my videos, sharing my videos, taking me to 4,000 subscribers, guys. Right, the way you used to do. I'm having a flu, but I know, you know me, I don't always take any medication for flu because it may be a painkiller because of the headache. So, but I normally don't actually take any serious medicine, because if I do the flu medication, they make me like Celestamine, maybe cold cap, they make me sleep. So I don't always like, if I take them now, I'll sleep until tomorrow. I don't like the feeling. I just don't like the feeling. So yeah, guys, it's a beautiful day. Today is on a Sunday. I'm just home. I didn't even put my makeup, makeupless, as you can see, because I normally put makeup when I'm going out, maybe going to work. That is on a daily, on weekdays, but weekends I get to be free actually. So guys, just want to show you, I've not been in this area. I've not been around for some time, so I just want to see. I also want to just walk. It is the evening, around 6. Let me see. It's around 6 something p.m. in my country. So I just want to like walk around, check on how is it looking like, to walk around a little bit in the evening and see what is actually going on. So let us go together, guys. I show you how it is. Where I'm living is partly town, partly urban, partly rural. Yeah, so there's people are now planting. It has actually rained yesterday. The other day it has been raining. So let me just show you. Let us just walk a little bit. I haven't been home for some time, like not being home like totally, but I go out in the morning and I come back very late in the evening. So I normally don't check around. So it has been a while. Let us go. Let me show you around this place in Kenya, in East Africa continent, to be specific. Make sure you're subscribing, guys. Make sure you're watching this video up to the end. Do not skip the ads, guys. Kindly pleading with you guys that don't skip the ads. Let us do this. Let us go together. Let me show you. I know I'm even tying a scarf, but never mind. I'm in the mood of like staying at home. I can't even raise my voice, because even if I raise it, it is still low because of the flu. So let us do this. Thank you so much for always watching my video. Anyway, let's do this. Let us go. Yeah. So guys, after it has rained in my place, you can see there is water. You see, stagnant water. This is just the rain of 2 consecutive days. So you can imagine. So this place, initially, this place you would actually just pass by this place, but now you can see it is not passable. So this area, you can see water is now stagnant, just like that, with the 2 constant rains. You see, yeah. So I was doing thorough cleaning, actually burnt them, whatever I never wanted. Yeah. So let me change I just want to change so this is the environment, how it is looking like. I told you that, so I can see sun is now setting. Yeah, in the evening, how it is looking like. It rained yesterday. These places, initially they were dry, but now you can see water stagnant water. You can see even here, these places were dry, but now you can see with the 2 days, it has rained for 2 days, and now you can just see how it is looking like. Water is now stagnant here. So these are lands that you can buy and then you invest on it. Yeah, so that is how this area is looking like after 2 days of raining. Let me show you. How do you call this? They're so common here. There's so many here. How do you call them in your language? Even this place, I would pass here, but now after 2 days of rain, it is not passable. Yeah. So let me know about your area where you're living. How is it looking like after raining, after the rains? How is it looking like when it has rained? You can see that when it is sunny, the water gets to dry, the whole of it. Yeah, but when it has rained just for 2 days, you can see that is my neighbor's gate, rental houses there. That is also a neighbor. You can see this. I know in some country you buy them, but here in my country you don't need to, because they are common. There are so many. Aloe vera, that is. Yeah. There is this dog which is my friend. I just want to go and check on him, on her. She gave birth. She's a friend of mine. She's really a friend of mine. I just want to go and check on her and see how he's doing now. It has been 1 week. Haven't been. So how do we call that bird? How do we call it? Let me go and see the puppies. This is my neighbor's house. Yeah, neighboring. You can see neighbors up there. Yeah. Yeah, that is my friend. Oh. Kila mtu ako tu na watoto yake. Sasa hataki mtu aende kwa watoto wake. Ha? So kaka en go siepra cha koro oneno ka dhiri nyithindo wa mana dhi mae. Yawa. You can see how she's backing because I'm heading to. Leo ni juu idonge. Gik moko ger ka dhiang' te mager ka sawa. Koro bi wadhi wa. Here are the puppies. Here are the puppies. You can see. Puppies. Puppy. You can see them. You can see the puppies. They've started barking as well. Wow. This is the first time that, wow, they're so amazing. Wow, they're now coming. They've realized that I'm a friend too. Wow, they're healthy. I think they're about 1 month old or so. You can see them. They're so beautiful. Wow. Look at them. Look what they're doing. They want their mother. Let us see. So I've brought their mother. And that's why the dog has actually reduced. This is not the body size. You can see all of this. How many? How many of them? Wow. Let me tell you. Wow. How many of them that are feeding from this dog? That's why this dog cannot actually. I give her food sometimes though. He's my neighbor's dog, not mine though. But she has reduced. It has reduced. Yeah. You can see. Wow. So amazing. Damn it. How many of them? And they are healthy. The mother is not healthy, but they are healthy. She's protective. She has decided to sleep for them to. I don't know where these ones are going. Are they not looking? What are they doing? They still can't see well. I love it. They're my neighbor's dog. Puppies, huh? They're looking for the breasts, huh? So guys, that is how this area is looking like, huh? That cow too is cozy. Let me walk around this place. We see how this place actually far end. If you say it want to rain, or maybe it's raining somewhere, it's really raining somewhere. Let me check on this neighborhood. Yeah, so guys, that is how it is. That dog is my friend. We are really friends. It's my neighbor's dog, and we are really friends with should I say him or her or it or what? Wada kakaroti mochuodho iriyo nade. Oh yeah, so let me check on the neighborhood. Yeah, I hope you guys are well. I'm also fine. I can't complain. Yeah, I can't really complain so much because God has given us opportunity. Yeah, so this is the neighborhood, how it is looking like. There's so stagnant water. It rained yesterday. This is the result after it rained. Yeah, so I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing fine. I know in the next 2 days I won't be having this flu. Like naturally I don't treat flu. I just let it be for 3 days, 3 or 4 days. Unless I'm coughing, that one I'll treat cough. But flu, I normally don't treat. Yeah, so I know literally after 3 days, it shall have ended. I know that's how I normally deal with it. I'm going to check on there is a stream around this place. I just want to go and check on its state. How is it right now? Because it has rained, and 2 days ago it was not raining. It rained for 2 days consecutively. So let us go and see the state of this stream as well. Let me turn the camera. This is how neighborhood is looking like after it rained, right? So just let me go and see in the evening, because I now want to get time the whole week. Yes, I want to get time the whole week to check on it. Let me go check if it has water now. Yeah, let me know about your countries. I know that in some countries, West countries, you don't even have these kind of places in your country. Every place is tarmacked and even curb roast, right? Yeah, that is one thing that I can confirm. There's somebody at the river. I don't know what is happening now. See, I see the state of this water. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this end. May God always bless you. Consider subscribe, like, not just watch, like, share so many people, so that we can get to so many people. We go to 4,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting me. Like, subscribe, share. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. This is Queen Liz channel. Make sure you're doing the necessary. I love you so much, guys. May God bless you. That marks the end of my video. Bye bye for now, guys.